Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make obsidian blocks. Creating obsidian is a straightforward process that involves combining two fundamental elements, water and lava. You'll need to gather both a water source and a lava source, along with a crucial tool for transporting these liquids. This method ensures you can reliably produce obsidian whenever you need it for your important building and crafting projects. To begin, you'll need to craft a bucket, which requires 3 iron ingots at a crafting table. Once you have your bucket, fill it with water from any water source, such as a lake or ocean. Next, you must find a lava pool, typically located deep within the earth. Remember, you only need 1 lava source block to start the process. Now for the actual creation. First, place your lava source block exactly where you want the obsidian to form. Then, with your water bucket, carefully pour the water directly onto that lava block. You will see the lava instantly transform into a solid obsidian block. This simple and repeatable method allows you to generate as much obsidian as your projects require. Once created, obsidian is a very tough block. To successfully mine it, you absolutely need a diamond pickaxe. Other tools will not work. Each block takes approximately 9 seconds to mine. Obsidian is incredibly blast-resistant and durable, making it ideal for secure structures. Its primary uses include constructing nether portals and crafting powerful enchantment tables.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.